Programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll resolve one particular error, that is no module name pyPDF2. So let's open that project folder. Like I have to execute the project RAG chatbot. So I'm facing that particular error. Now open terminal here and try to run project. Okay, that will be the Python file f.py. So let's run this f.py file. Then hit enter. Model will load and it will give that particular error. Module not found error. No module name pyPDF2. Okay, so first check Python is installed or not. Just click on the Windows key and write edit the environment variable. So just write edit and it will show edit the system environment variable. Just click on it and click on environment variable and double click on the path. So it will show that Python 3.10 is already installed and also added to that environment variable. You can check the location as well. Double click on that and copy that location. Then click on OK, cancel and cancel. Just paste that location here and enter. So we'll get that particular location Python 3.10 and this will be the Python 3.10 is already downloaded in that particular location. Okay, and this will be the script folder. We have already added the path of that Python and script folder location. Okay, so just go back, close that. Now try to install that particular module. Right, pip install pyPDF2. Then hit enter. So it is collecting the pyPDF and installing the libraries. Now it is successfully installed pyPDF 3.0.1. So you can also show the version. Pip show pyPDF2. Then it will show the version of that particular library 3.0.1 and name will be pyPDF2. So this will be the solution of that particular error. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you are facing any error in your project, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching at our project ideas in computer science domain, then we are developing on-demand projects in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Java, Android web development. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.